Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So I have a slow leak in my tire and didn't have time to get it fixed right away. So if you're like me, if you've ever driven around late at night searching for a gas station air pump only to find that it's broken, this little powerhouse might become your new favorite best friend for the car. So this is the Milwaukee M12 Cordless Compact Inflator. It's designed for convenience. It's designed for speed and reliability. I didn't want to deal with a bulky compressor. This is a compact tool that lets you inflate your tires anywhere, anytime. Now it comes with this rechargeable battery and the charger. So, and this is actually interchangeable with other Milwaukee tools. So you just pop the charger in, press start, and you're ready to go. So I really love that it actually has a automatic pressure shutoff feature. So you just simply set the desired PSI on the digital display, press start, and the inflator stops once it reaches the correct pressure. The digital pressure gauge is clear, it's easy to read, it's easy to use. I don't have to guess or worry about overfilling or even topping off the spare tire if you need to. It's really compact size, so it fits easily in your trunk, in your car, or stored in the garage. The inflator is fast. It's going to get all 4 tires blown up in minutes, so it's perfect for the quick maintenance. It's great for before road trips or daily commuting. And these fittings, they're very durable and reliable, and it has a nice way to store it so the wiring doesn't get caught up in anything. This Milwaukee Compact Inflator, it gives you convenience, reliability. It's a way to maintain the tire pressure without having to rely on gas stations being open and available. You will love it.